The savings generated that are coming from this project will help benefit the citizens of Wayne Township, so that way we can use those savings towards our core project of assisting those citizens of Wayne Township in their time of need.
I think although the project that I was involved in was a solo one, I think hearing about how much money they saved, how much energy they saved switching the lighting system in the building was really interesting to me. It doesn't always have to be a big project like installing solar on the roof. Something as simple as changing lighting fixtures in a building can save a lot of money. And so learning that even small fixes like that can be really successful was pretty interesting.
Solar panels are a great investment. They provide the opportunity for the township to reduce its carbon footprint. They provide an opportunity for the township to save money on its electric bill and an opportunity to use those dollars to help the citizens of the township who need financial assistance.
Our township sits in a corridor, a very, very busy corridor. Probably, I think it's real estate-wise, it's probably one of the most valuable corners in the city. And the fact that we put those panels on the roof to save sacred space that's so valuable, I think is just so radical and cost-effective, putting those solar panels on our roof to save the space on the earth that our town, our city needs.
I see the panels helping our citizens by reducing the cost that we have to pay for electricity. And those monies can then go to provide resources for our residents in Wayne Township.
Well, for starters, we didn't have to turn to our taxpayers for additional funding for the project, so that's always a good thing. So with that and with the savings that we hope to generate from this project, it will help us in our core mission, which is serving the citizens of Wayne Township.
This project helps address our climate issue by helping eliminate some of our carbon footprint. We know that some of the power companies that produce our power now are using things that are greenhouse gases, which are contributing to our carbon emissions. So hopefully with us going solar, that helps eliminate just a portion of that greenhouse gas and our carbon emissions. So if it's just a small part of the pie, it's still a piece of the pie, and we're helping contribute to going clean energy.
I think seeing it happen in real time, seeing the people actually have the solar panels on the ground, taking them up to the roof, seeing all the design work that goes into installing solar panels. It looks like a really simple thing to do, but there's so much work and calculations and like engineering drawings and all of that. So seeing everything that happens behind the scenes and then seeing that actually happen in real time was probably the coolest part.
So this is a powerful piece. As many folks know or may not know, that a number of coal power plants were found or built in poor and minority neighborhoods. And so as this project that we've taken at the township moves forward, and as we encourage other public facilities and citizens to do the same thing, it helps to generate additional clean energy and moves us away from creating energy that is not only harmful to the environment, it's also harmful to the health of the citizens and the people of the township.
When we look at our bills, and I've talked to our trustee, and Trustee Knox says it's looking very promising. By saving, it means that we can simply channel that savings to our clients who are in need.
Well, it reduces the cost of electrical energy, and so using our sun as a power source just makes more sense.
It's a rather large array, and so again, that carbon footprint will hopefully be reduced greatly. And so in essence, that will help us do our part in reducing our negative impact on the environment by going solar.